So welcome, August 16th, Friday, crypto for the rest of us, 6 days a week, excluding Sundays. Today, I typically do a tip, tool, or coin analysis. Today, just another reason why I am long on crypto. And what does that mean? Essentially, it means acquire, accumulate crypto, along the way, take profits. Check out this introduction. There's two things here I want to show you if you're curious about crypto for the long term and what it really means. I'm not sure if everyone buys into what I buy into, the whole idea of being your own bank and crypto being here for the long haul. What's interesting about it, and I'm going to compare it to some commodities, but check this out. MetaMask just recently, they call it the MetaMask card. We're going to talk about what it is. We're going to talk about the Coinbase card. I made an assertion earlier this year that Coinbase killed the dollar. I have another YouTube channel where I help people get out of debt and help them acquire assets instead of dollars, because I believe personally the dollar is dead. Crypto is one of those reasons why. But just real quick, what are they doing here? What they're doing here is they're allowing anyone with a MetaMask wallet to use this card. It is MasterCard that they're working with. However, it's not a credit card. A credit card in the traditional sense, you're allowed to spend money. They're not taking money out of your account, and then eventually you pay that back, and you may pay it back with interest. Okay. This is more of a debit card. It looks at your MetaMask wallet, and it, like it says here, at the time you're spending, it's going to turn that crypto into dollars, or at the moment they're working only in the EU and UK. So wherever they happen to be launching this, it's going to turn it into the currency of choice. So let's talk about what's so powerful about this. If you look at crypto from one standpoint, and that is as a commodity, well, I diversify like many people. When I buy gold or silver, I have three choices. I can go buy physical gold, a gold bar, and when I want to sell it, I have to go somewhere, sell it, and get the money. Transaction costs, time, difficult. Second thing, I can use a third party, which I do in some cases, like a vaulted, and they buy and hold and store it on my behalf. When I want to sell it, I can go in and click to sell it, but then it has to be sold. It has to then convert to dollars in my account. I have to then move it to an account, like a bank account or whatever it may be, so I can then sell the money. Third option, I can buy an ETF for gold or silver. I can go into my broker, I can sell it, I can turn it into cash, I have to wait for it to clear and to settle, and then I can move it to a bank account and I can spend it. Okay, those three things with respect to gold or silver are pretty much my only options. But it's Saturday morning, I got up, I got my cup of coffee, I went to Home Depot, I got some mulch, I want to put it out in the yard. Before I get the mulch, I got to take out my card, I got to pay for it. But I want to use some of my gold and silver. That's not going to happen. I would have to have thought way in advance, sold some, turned it into cash, moved it to my debit card, wherever I want it to be, and then go to Home Depot and spend it. That is underestimating the power of convenience. The power of convenience drives a lot of things when it comes to the consumer and when it comes to pushing something like crypto out to the masses. It has to be easy, it has to be fast, it has to be seamless, it has to be in the background and no one has to think about it. Okay, so that's essentially what this is doing. Now, Coinbase has had their Coinbase card for a while. I'm in the US, it's available in the US. It allows you to choose which of your cryptos you want to spend, and it turns it into dollars the moment at purchase, just like this MetaMask card. Coinbase card at the moment, it's using their exchange. So you have to use it to take and turn in some of your crypto into dollars if you're turning it into dollars at the point of purchase through the Coinbase exchange. So it's not through the Coinbase wallet. What I think is interesting about the MetaMask one is it's going from the MetaMask wallet instead of coming from an exchange. And if you're familiar, that basically means that it's self-custody. This is your self-custody crypto. No one else has anything to do with it. And then it's turning it into your currency of choice and spending it at the point of purchase without you thinking ahead. Again, woke up, put on a baseball cap so no one sees your bald head, go to Home Depot, take the card out, you're half awake, and you buy some mulch. Great. It's that easy. Coinbase is coming from their exchange, but it's the same thing. You can hold US dollars at Coinbase if you like, or you can just have it spend one of your cryptocurrencies. No banks involved. No one's involved other than yourself, and you're spending your crypto. I think this is brilliant. I think Coinbase did it. MetaMask's doing it. Come on, think of anything. It's just like putting a little hole in the dam. It's about to break. Everyone's going to be doing it. There will be pushback. There will be regulation. This is going to be a bumpy ride. Banks do not want you to do this because it's quite possible that someone like myself might not have money in banks anymore, nor feel the need for them at all. Never again. That's just starting. So for me, I'm a believer, and I believe that this is another reason to be in crypto for the long term. Have a great day. Let's try to make generational wealth together with crypto 6 days a week. Have a good weekend.